The topic of today's video is how to highlight objects in Davinci Resolve. So you'll see we are on the edit tab, but where we need to be is on the color tab. So what we're going to do in the color tab is click on the window, and I used pencil for this earlier, but it was terrible. So now we're going to use circle because I'm going to highlight her face. So now we're just going to resize the circle a bit. Okay, now we want to go to the tracker window. And I'm going to tick off 3D, and I'm going to go to frame because I want to do some manual work on this for reasons I'll show you in a few. So let's press play and let that run through. And as soon as a hand comes into contact with the face, everything just goes haywire. So what we need to do here is manually keyframe. So we have our two main keyframes set up, perfectly fine. But for each frame, you're going to go in. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that. Anyways, we're going to go in and we're going to move the circle and resize it where it needs to be. And every time you resize, it's going to automatically keyframe, so you don't have to go in and do that manually. So now what I'm going to do is I want to blur this out. So I'm going to go to blur and I'm going to adjust this here. And now you'll see it's blurred her face out, which was not the objective. So we want to go back to our window and just invert that. And there we go. And that's how you can highlight an object. You don't have to use blur. You can use whatever you want. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.